Are you looking for the best Chinese drones under $400? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones under $400 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. F22S2XR Pro Plus GPS Drone. F22S2XR Pro Plus GPS professional drone speaks to people who dream beyond ground limits. Holding it creates excitement, confidence, and curiosity at once. Every flight feels like opening a new chapter where freedom replaces routine and perspective feels wider. Creative minds feel calm knowing movement remains smooth and controlled while attention stays on storytelling. Outdoor moments gain deeper emotion as views appear graceful and meaningful. Adventures become personal memories instead of distant scenes. This drone connects passion with purpose, helping creators feel proud of captured journeys. Choosing it feels like choosing inspiration, trust, and unforgettable sky experiences. Number 2. FIMI X8 Tele Max 4K Drone. FIMI X8 Tele Max 4K professional drone brings quiet excitement to creators who value clear vision. Holding it feels like holding future stories ready to unfold. Smooth motion helps imagination stay focused while distant views feel closer and personal. Travel moments gain depth as landscapes appear calm and meaningful. Night scenes feel gentle yet powerful, encouraging confidence during every flight. This quadcopter supports creative freedom, helping users trust each decision above ground. Choosing it feels like choosing growth, pride, and lasting memories shaped by patience, curiosity, and sky-bound dreams. Today, tomorrow, exploration, emotion, adventure, private fulfillment awaits. Number 3. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone speaks to people who dream about open skies and quiet confidence. Holding this aircraft creates excitement mixed with calm because control feels natural from the first moment. Every flight becomes a personal escape where stress fades and curiosity rises. Outdoor time turns meaningful as landscapes feel closer and memories gain depth. This drone invites exploration without pressure and builds trust through steady movement and thoughtful balance. Buyers searching for a professional drone experience feel assurance because creativity flows freely and mistakes feel less frightening. Portable folding design allows easy travel so adventures begin anywhere inspiration appears. Touch interaction brings comfort similar to using a familiar device, which reduces learning fear. Long-distance connection strengthens emotional freedom and encourages bold imagination. Obstacle awareness adds peace of mind so focus stays on enjoyment rather than worry. Choosing Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone feels like choosing progress, personal growth, and pride. People who value clarity, independence, and future-ready technology connect deeply with this quadcopter. It fits creators, travelers, beginners, and dreamers who want aerial moments without complexity. This drone becomes more than a gadget because it represents confidence, exploration, and joyful control shaped for modern lifestyles.